Hi everybody,
Hi.
And welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are your hosts, Arne and Carlos, and I think the question on everybody's lips is, who got the almond?
And we won't tell you.
Well, we may tell you on an upcoming Q&A, maybe not. You'll have to wait and see.
That's a teaser.
It's a teaser, absolutely. However, if you want to know, you'll have to ask questions, not necessarily about the almond, but about other things. We've been doing our YouTube channel for a couple of years now, getting to know everybody. Everybody's getting to know us, and hopefully you have questions for us. So please
pop the question
in the thingy, in the comments thingy. Pop your questions. We'll go through them, and we promise that we will be back rather soon with a fourth Arne and Carlos Q&A.
Yes, we are.
So see you around.
See you around.
Are you nervous about the questions we're gonna get?
No. I'm fine. I'm cold. Let's go in.
Okay.
Inside. I'm finished now. Bye.